If you're in Adobe Express and what you're working on requires a drawing of some sort, even a little sketch, like for example, this is a thumbnail and I have a little semicircle that I needed drawn onto the edge here to highlight and emphasize the rim of this logo. And I had to do that manually because it wasn't something that I could easily develop any other way or get with any templates or elements or whatever. So I had to draw it. And how do you do that? Well, you can do it all within Adobe Express now, and it's pretty straightforward. So what you're going to do is you're going to leave your project, make sure that, you've named it if you need, and you just click this little Adobe Express icon at the top left-hand corner. And what you're going to do is hit drawing. And if you don't see drawing, hit the plus sign, this little bluish purple plus sign, and search draw. And you'll find an option called drawing. This is what we want to use. It'll give us a free draw sample here. So now we have a bunch of brushes, colors, and we have a background of white. I'm going to change my background to black so we can see what I'm doing because I want my color to be in white. So I'm going to switch that to black, switch this to white, and I'm going to pick a crayon to use. So now what I need to do is create a semicircle. So I'm just going to draw with my mouse, do my best approximation, and I hold down my left mouse button and it will create a rounded shape. This will work for any shape. It'll clean up the shape you have. So to reduce noise, just hold down that left mouse and it'll snap to. So this is good. Only thing is I need to get rid of my background color. So I'm going to hit that again and then go with the no fill option. Okay, then I can name it. I could call it whatever. I know this is not actually a semicircle, but I'm going to fix that part in my project. So I could here delete parts of it, but I don't exactly know how much I want to delete just yet. So I'm going to leave that as is and go back to my project. So we are hitting my project here. We'll delete the old, out with the old and in with the new. That's my old one. And now what I need to do is go to my stuff. And under my stuff, I'll have my drawings. So perfectly, it didn't save the name of the drawing as I hoped, but that's all right. So I'm just going to size it into approximation here. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not too worried about it being a little bit off, but you can definitely go back in and edit the drawing if you need. So here I've got it. I just need to delete everything outside of the magnifying glass. And I can do that right within the project under erase. So if I hit that, switch my brush from quick selection to circle brush, then I can just erase over whatever I don't want. And that would be that. So, oh, well, that's good enough for me. So that's it. That's it. I drew and now I have my drawing and it's active, and you'll see this little circle on the left corner means it's linked, so I can open up my actual drawing and edit it from there. So now it's all here within this project, and I hope this helped you guys. I know it was driving me crazy before I figured it out, and it was such a small thing I needed, and it's kind of a roundabout way to do it within Adobe Express, but for now, I'll take it. I hope this helped you guys. Check out my playlist in Adobe Express for more, and thanks for watching.